Welcome children to the online learning. We will be studying lesson number 8, A Great Leader today. Children, recently we celebrated Gandhi Jayanti. Can anyone tell me when? Yes, 2nd of October. Every year on 2nd of October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. And in this lesson, we are going to study about Mahatma Gandhi. So, lesson number 8, A Great Leader. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. And do you know why? What makes him different from others? Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. But Gandhiji did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs. And yet, he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly call him Bapu or Bapuji, father of the nation. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. Iron will means strong determination. If he decided to do something, he did it no matter how difficult it was. One day, he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed his prayers. He also gave lot of importance to truth, simplicity, and non-violence. Children, non-violence means harming or hurting. Non-violence is the opposite of violence. It means not hurting others. In all the pictures of Gandhiji, you must have seen that he is dressed very simply. Just a loin cloth and a dhoti worn above the knees. Sometimes a shawl. Now, can you tell me why? Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course he could. But it was his deliberate choice. See in the images here. We could see him before he decided to use simple clothes. Then, how did he come to make his choice? An incident is given here. Once, Gandhiji was to give a lecture in Odisha. See, in those days, freedom fighters, they used to give lectures, they used to address the people. And many people, thousands of people used to gather there. So once Gandhiji was to give a lecture in Odisha. Usually men and women gathered means came in large numbers to listen to him. But in Odisha, women were not seen at the lectures. Then he made inquiries. Then he asked why women are not seen in the lectures and found that in this part of the country, that is Odisha, people were very poor. And so women did not have decent clothes to wear. So they did not come for public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. He felt very bad, and so that day onwards he decided to wear minimum clothes. So you can see here in the first picture, you can see Gandhiji before he decided to use simple clothes, and in the second picture you can see him the way Gandhiji dressed for the rest of his life. So he decided to wear minimum clothes means only necessary ones. Even in winters or summers, he never changed his simple dress. Here, one more incident is given in the lesson, which tells that Gandhiji never bothered, that is, worried about his style of dress. It was just the representation of what people wear in India. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. Conference means meeting in which important matters are discussed. So, King George of England gave a reception to the people who attended the conference at his palace. People were to dress up in certain way. At that time, India was ruled by England. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change his style of dress to see the King of England. Gandhiji clearly refused. He said no to change according to him. According to him, he represented the Indians. He was not worried what others said as long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. At last, the king welcomed Gandhiji in a simple loin cloth and a shawl. The king was dressed extravagantly. Extravagantly means in very costly clothes. When Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes for the meeting with the king, he replied, the king had enough clothes for both of them. Back home, millions of Indians were happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. Gandhiji did not use any destructive weapons, but he had millions of staunch followers. Staunch means firm, people who were firm and loyal in following him. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of satyagraha. Even today, his ideology is being followed all over the world. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all the parts of the world. Hope you all have gathered enough information about Mahatma Gandhiji and bring into practice his teachings. Let's once again go through the meanings of this lesson. Iron wheel, strong determination. Conference, a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. Bothered, worried, extravagantly, in a way that costs a lot of money. Staunch followers, people who were firm and loyal in following him. Hope you all have understood the lesson. With this, we finish with the lesson. Thank you, children.